What's up, guys? What is actually great looking, guys? How's it going? It's me, Finn. It's been a bit since I've uploaded, but I'm back. So my bike chain screwed up, and I need to get home. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Okay, it's quite simple. So yeah, let's get started. I think this is the right way. Hold up. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. First thing is first. This is your friend. Okay. There's an absolute ton of gunk on mine. I need to clean it. But you're just gonna gently grab here, pull up, and see, it's creating that large slack. So I'm gonna try to hold this with my chin. Okay. Hold up. Take out this, but all you have to do is you have to get this back on the gear that it was originally supposed to be on. So, not good. However, and also you can see that it's not on the sprockets. It needs to be on this gear. So I was going to first gear, so that's what gear I have to put on. And boom, it's that simple. My hands are pretty dirty. It's the downside, but if I start going, it's going to boom. And that's basically it. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty good. Thanks for you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.